Hello, and welcome to 3 Blind Mice Window Coverings. Today I'd like to show an installation application of the QMotion dual roller shades. These are 2 roller shades mounted behind a 5.5-inch fascia that allows you to roll a blackout shade down and a screen shade down. Both of these systems are motorized with a battery option. They have a silent motor, as you'll be able to hear, and the ease of use of this is just remarkable. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and show you is with the handheld multi-channel remote here. I'm going to go ahead and just hit channel 6, which we pre-programmed to the solar screens. I'm going to press the down button, and both the solar screens are going to come down to the predetermined position. In this case, I brought them all the way down to the bottom. So they're going to come all the way down, and again, just listen how quiet these are. And again, this is a low voltage battery operated system. Now, with the system that we have, again, it's a dual roller, so as you can see through the screen here, you can see you've got great sun blockage here. Now, if we want to darken the room, I'm going to go ahead and press the pre-programmed channel that I've done on this, which is channel 5. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the down button again. And now I've got the behind the shade, a blackout roller coming down. So this is again going to darken the room. Now I can stop this anywhere I want. I can pre-program stuff. I'm going to go 3/4 of the way down. It's going to come 3/4 of the way down. And here we've got some access windows at the bottom we'll stop the shade at. I can continue to have this all the way down, hitting the down button. And it'll bring both the shades down. I programmed this so that we can independently operate this. So if I just want one shade up, I go to the channel 1 and press the up button, and I can program them that way as well. I've also programmed it so that I can do all of them at one time if I'd like. So I can hit the all button, and I'm going to hit it, and I'm just going to take them all to 50%. They'll all go up to 50%. And this is the really unique thing I'd like to show you next, is that once they're stopped, you can actually come by and manually override them. So I'm just going to reach behind and grab the blackout behind this. I'm just going to tug it, and it will automatically go up without using the remote. So again, let me show you that again. I'm going to come right over here to this shade here. I'm going to reach behind the solar screen. I'm going to grab the blackout. I'm just going to pull down just about 1 inch, and it activates the shade behind it. And it's going to roll up automatically without using the remote. Now, I can do the same thing with this. I'm just going to go ahead and grab it, just give a little tug to it, and it's going to start going up. Now again, if I don't have the remote handy, I can just come by and say I want to stop it right here. I'm going to pull it down, put it to where I want, and it'll stay. I can then grab it again, pull it down to wherever I'd like to make it more comfortable, and it will stay. Pressing the remote button again, I'm going to take it up to 1/4 of the way up, and the shades will all go to where I've already set them up to. So again, with this motor here, we've got those setting there, and this one up, and again, with the remote control, I can just go to whatever I want. So if I want to bring this one down and match, we can go ahead and just hit channel 6 is the solar screens. I'll hit 3/4 of the way down. And actually, we're going to go ahead and get this one to come down all the way down too. Oops. We had set that, sorry, when I hit that, I hit the wrong button on that. So we'll go ahead and bring these up. And these will automatically go up. I'm going to go ahead and hit the, after these go all the way to the top, I hit the blackout all the way to the top. So we'll hit 7, all channel. Everything should go to the top, and I'll go ahead and reset this one. And again, the reason why I did that is I pushed it while it was in programming mode. I'll just go ahead and give it a little touch, and it'll go right back up and reset itself. Perfect example of, if someone messes something up, it's real easy just to go ahead and reset it. Again, handheld remote. Also, this just sets on a wall plate. It's magnetic, and you can physically mount that anywhere you'd like, on a wall, on the center wall. You can throw it in the drawer of the nightstand. Again, these are the QMotion dual roller shades, battery operated. If you have any more questions or would like some more information on the QMotion shades, please give us a call at 1-800-828-2003, or you can visit us at www.3blindmiceusa.com.